Are you still writing job posts that ask for every language, tool, and unicorn trait at once? Chasing that mythical all-in-one candidate is why searches stretch for months. In the next 5 minutes, I'll give you clear compliance steps to assess, interview, and hire a data visualization engineer. You'll learn the core skills to demand, the soft skills that predict impact, plus practical interview prompts and fair evaluation tools. Stop hiring for buzzwords. Start hiring for outcomes. Ready? Let's redefine the role so you actually get the impact you need. First, what does this role really contribute and why it matters? A data visualization engineer translates complex data into clear visuals that drive decisions, not just pretty dashboards. Hire right and decisions speed up, insight surfaces, and trust in data grows. Hire wrong and dashboards confuse, mislead, and waste time. Let's separate must-haves from nice-to-haves, and mean it. Must-have number 1, deep proficiency in at least one core BI tool, Tableau or Power BI, not just familiarity. Expert level building, calculations, and performance tuning. Power BI expertise likewise means thoughtful data models and efficient visuals. Must-have number 2, SQL. They must pull, join, and shape data independently. Must-have number 3, scripting for data cleaning, Python or R to prepare real-world messy datasets. If you need embedded or custom visuals, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and libraries like D3 Matter. Think hierarchy. SQL plus BI tools at the base, D3's custom libs on top. Not every hire must be a D3 wizard. Hire to the problem. Base competencies first. Nice to haves. Cloud platforms, AWS, GCP, Azure, data warehousing concepts, and Tableau server admin. Graphic design depth helps, but understanding design principles, color, hierarchy, layout is the priority. A strong portfolio trumps pedigree. Look for process explanations, not just pretty images. Soft skill. Driver 1. Communication. They must explain what a chart shows and why it matters. They must listen to stakeholders and translate their needs into analysis. Soft skill number 2. Curiosity. They should ask why, dig into the data, and challenge bad chart requests. Soft skill number 3. Adaptability and continuous learning. Active in communities, personal projects, or blogs. Use behavioral prompts. Tell me about a time you presented complex data to a non-technical audience. Probe for situation, task, action, result. How they prepared, simplified, and what changed after. Scenario prompt. A manager wants 20 KPIs on one screen. How would you handle it? Good answers show prioritization, suggested layout changes, and anticipated questions. Use a small take-home task, messy dataset plus vague business problem. Example, 1 year of support tickets. Ask for a simple dashboard that surfaces drivers of dissatisfaction. Have them present to a cross-functional panel using a structured scorecard for technical approach, design, communication, and problem solving. Where to look? LinkedIn is useful, but top sources are Tableau, Public, Observable, and GitHub portfolios. Also, engage DataViz communities and meetups. Networking attracts passive, high-quality talent. Use structured scorecards, standardized take-home briefs, and consistent interview rubrics to reduce bias. Leverage ATS features to anonymize initial tests and document consistent criteria for compliance. Pitfall: over-indexing on pedigree. Instead, ask about impact. What visualization are you most proud of and why? To evaluate culture fit without illegal questions, use behavior-based prompts like, tell me about a cross-functional project you led. Weak answer, here's a D3 dashboard. Feature first, no impact. Strong answer, we built an interactive graph that identified campaign drivers and led to a reallocation of budget. If you hire right now, check peopleteam.com hiring and subscribe for more hiring guides.